Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm starting a new series that I'm calling Tag Tuesday, where every week I'm planning to release just a short video with some ideas and inspiration on things that you can do with tags to put into your journal. So for the first video today, I'm going to be working with pieces from the Nostalgic Stitches journal kit that's available in my Etsy store. I've also got in my store a whole stack of what I call pocket tags, and they're little tags that go together and they have a little pocket and you can hide a little journal card inside. So my idea today, I thought it might be nice to give you some inspiration on how you can actually make those sorts of tags yourself using just decorative papers or other bits and pieces that you have lying around. So what I'm going to be using today is the large tags that are available in the ephemera part of the Nostalgic Stitches journal kit. And then I've also printed out the journaling cards. Now I've printed these at 90%. I wanted them a little bit smaller because I'm going to be using these to put inside the pocket tag. So I wanted them to not be the same width. So I've printed those a little bit smaller, and then I've also printed out the trading cards, which is in the ephemera section as well of the kit. And don't know which one I'm going to use yet, but I wanted to use maybe one or two of those. And then I've also got a book plate that comes in the add-on kit. So I'll put links for all of those printables down below in the description for you. So my plan today is to make a pocket tag with a hidden journaling card and just do a little bit of decorating. And I hope that it inspires you to try this technique with any papers or tags that you might have for your journals. Okay, so I'm just going to get started crafting. Grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and follow along. Actually, before I cut this to make my journaling tag, I'm going to go and do some decorative stitching around the edge. Because the theme of this is sewing, I'm just going to hop over to my machine and give this a nice little decorative edge, and then I'll come back and show you how to do the journaling tag. Okay, so I've just given that a little stitch around the edge just to make that look nice and go with the sewing theme. I'll just mention here that on the back of the ephemera, these little trading cards that are in the Nostalgic Stitches journal kit, I've just printed one of my tea-dyed papers, which are also available in my Etsy store, so I'll put a link for those down below too. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me as I made this pocket tag using the Nostalgic Stitches journal kits. This was the first tutorial for Tag Tuesday, a new series that I'll be working on my YouTube channel. Make sure that you check the description down below for links to my Etsy store, where you can find the Nostalgic Stitches journal kits along with lots of other printables for your crafting projects. You might like to also come and join my Facebook group, where you can download a stack of freebies and join in crafting fun. And please make sure you like and subscribe for more Tag Tuesday and other crafting tutorials.